Learn application development using .NET Core. Core SEO is an imaginary project that we are going to build while learning the concepts of .NET Core MVC. Welcome to Clouds.Training. This is Divakar. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. If you haven't subscribed, please request you to subscribe for more updates and training programs. The source code of this project is going to be available in github.com/cloudstraining/core SEO. It is an imaginary requirement from a client to build SEO manager project. We are going to imagine the requirements from the client. And the idea is to build an admin interface to manage SEO content for the website URLs and all the social media contents like YouTube, Twitter, etc. Nowadays, the usage of social media has been increased rapidly, and managing these SEO content has become really tough for the companies. So the client has a requirement to manage all this in one admin interface. So that's what we are going to imagine as a requirement. I will be developing this application from scratch by using the imaginary requirements here, and we are going to split this into multiple sessions because each and every session will have a concept to cover. So we will be implementing this application by understanding the core concepts of MVC application development using .NET Core. From now onwards, I will call this imaginary project as Core SEO. So when I refer Core SEO, that means it is an imaginary project that we are going to develop by understanding the concepts of MVC. The technology and tools that we're going to use here are .NET Core, Entity Framework Core, SQL Database, Visual Studio, SQL Server Management Studio. In GitHub Clouds Training account, I have created a new repository called Core SEO. You can download the source code once the tutorial is completed. You should be able to download the updated source code from this link. I have run the command git clone and the URL here to clone the remote GitHub repository into my local directory here. So I will be creating the project here in this folder and adding it to the GitHub repository. If you are new to Git, it is a source control management system and it is not in the scope of this tutorial, so we're not going to go into the details of how to use Git. So you can download the source code instead of cloning. You can download the source code here by clicking on download zip.